back again. I hope you all are doing good. In this video we will learn how can we create a group on the Roblox app. Let's get started. Once you open the Roblox, you will get this page. Now just click on the three bars on the left side, and now you have to click on the groups option. Now you can see, you just can see the option of create group. Click on this. Now you can create your group from here. Just add name of your group and click on the description and add a description for here, and you just can add and then select any image from your computer. Just click on this and you just can select image from your computer and click on open. You can see your emblem has been uploaded. Now you can just change the setting. Anyone can join if you want, and you can just click on the manual approval. Now you can see group purchase confirmation. Would you like to create this group for 100? So if you want to create group, you just have to click on the purchase and your group will be created here. So this is how you can create a group on the Roblox. So that's it for this video guys. I hope it was great help to you. Thanks for watching this, and I will see you in the next video.